Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove your Volvo V70 headlight assembly. This task might seem daunting, but it's actually quite simple when you know the easy steps. We'll walk through the process together, making it manageable for anyone. This straightforward method will help you with maintenance or replacing a bulb, saving you time and effort. Let's get started and make this a quick, hassle-free job for your vehicle. Before we begin, let's gather the few essential tools you'll need. You'll want a 10mm socket and a ratchet to loosen the main bolts. A flathead screwdriver can also be handy for any light prying or releasing clips. Remember, safety first. Always make sure your Volvo V70 is completely off and the parking brake is set. This ensures a safe working environment for you and your vehicle. Now, let's get to the removal process. If your Volvo V70 has a headlight wiper, carefully remove that arm first. Then, locate the three 10mm mounting bolts. 2 are typically on top, and 1 is on the side. Once these are removed, gently slide the entire headlight assembly forward. This will give you access to the electrical harness at the back, which you can then disconnect by pressing its release tab. Reinstalling your headlight is just as easy as removing it. Begin by reconnecting the electrical harness to the back of the headlight assembly. Then, carefully slide the headlight unit back into its designated slot, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Secure all 3 10mm mounting bolts tightly to hold it in place. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test all headlight functions to confirm everything is working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.